Take a ride in the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.